What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here with the Mendez Mobile Detailing. Hey man, I want to make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below any questions, any concerns, and I'm gonna do my best to reach out to you and help you out, right? So today we have a few vehicles lined up. It's kind of freezing cold outside right now, so I don't know how we're gonna get through the day, but we're gonna get through the day, man. So I have the GPS going right now. Of course, you know, she over there trying to interrupt me. I'm not even, damn. Trying to record over here, cuz. So anyways, back to what I was saying. We have two cars lined up for today. I have a new maintenance detail client, and it's a big car. And then we have a pickup truck, which we're gonna do a full shampoo, or I don't know what we're doing. The client was just kind of just not telling me too much, but we'll figure it out when we get there. And then we'll be done for the day. So thank you guys for tuning in, because you could have been watching any other video, but you chose to watch your favorite detailing channel, right? So make sure you guys hit that notification bell, subscribe, and yeah, man, we'll catch you guys when we get there. Appreciate y'all so much, man, and let's ride, man. Let's ride. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we just made it to our first client, and we have a Yukon, or GMC Yukon. And I believe we did one of these the other day too, but it was just a different color. So I believe this is a 2022. It's pretty small compared to the other one, so this one might be like the little brother. But as soon as you open this door, 3-row, big interior. Pretty simple detail, honestly, because this is fairly new. So we're just gonna go ahead and vacuum it out, give it a good wipe down. The door's not even dirty or anything like that. Just needs a good wipe down. Probably just use our compressor, get rid of all that dirt. And we're gonna go ahead and apply our sealant on the exterior, because that's a part of our maintenance. Every time your first detail, the sealant is always a free. So we're gonna go ahead and clay bar and add sealant to the exterior, especially since it's white. So every time that we come back, it'll be easier to wash, right? You kind of want to set yourself up. You want to set yourself up for success, right? So I know that I'm gonna come back every month to do this car now, because she wants to keep it brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and add sealant instead of a wax, because I know sealant will be more durable, it'll last longer, and it'll make my job easier down the line. So it's a little tip for y'all. Let's see. Yeah, it's not too bad though. The time is currently 9:10, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started, get set up. So kind of just to follow up on what I said, right? So someone commented like, oh, what's the difference between a maintenance detail and, you know, wash and wax or whatever, right? So it's all the same thing in my opinion. The only thing that I do when I do a maintenance detail is just add our ceramic socket to it, or add a bead maker, you know, just because it already has a long-term protection. So all we're going to do is go ahead and enhance the protection that we already added to it. So it's never any difference between a wash and wax, a detail. Like, it's all the same thing. You just approach it the same, get the same results, right? The only difference is the protection is different with our maintenance, because we do add a sealant on the first monthly basis, right? This, just like I said. So that's the only difference, I guess. You know, if you guys let me know what you guys would do, what you guys think, and just comment down below any questions or concerns you might have. And let's get started with the detail, man. We got to get set up. I already got the vacuum out, just got to set up and plug my extension cord. They have a cord right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use, and then we'll just take everything out the van and just get started. Alright, too. So we made it to our second and last client of the day, and we have a Ford F-150 pickup truck here. So the client actually spilled some, I guess like turkey juice during Thanksgiving and stuff. So he wanted us to shampoo and extract the carpet for him. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for him, as well as do a dog hair right there, a dog hair removal on the interior here. So I'm gonna go ahead and lightly touch up the seats too. They're not too bad. So we're just gonna go ahead and touch those up, and then the door panels, of course, are gonna get detailed and cleaned. And we aren't doing anything on the exterior for this car, just in case you guys were wondering. It's just the interior only. We're charging $250. And yeah, let's see. We'll go ahead and do a full extraction, all that good stuff. Get all those things off the door panels. Nothing on the exterior. Let's see this side. Yeah. It's really not that bad, you guys. Really not that bad. You know, I always say it's not that bad, and then once I start working, you start seeing stuff, and you know, so my price is gonna stay where it's at now. I don't think I'm gonna lower it because I'm gonna give a full shampoo on this thing. I'm here trying to move stuff around, but y'all see condition. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the chemicals that I'm using to perform this job here, right? So all we're gonna use are these 3 products right here, because I know you guys always have questions. So we're gonna use this right here for our shampoo, and then I'm gonna put this in this pump spray right there with some water. It's already filled up, but I'm gonna put a little bit more, probably like that much more, and then put the rest water. And then this is what I'm gonna use to clean the interior. These 2 mixed together. So we have Stinger. There we go. We have Stinger Chemical Special Cleaner. You guys can look that up on the internet. I don't know if they sell it online, but I buy this from Nash locally. And then we have Stinger Universal Dressing. Now, this dressing, I use this for floor mats or the trim as well. So it's kind of just like it's a universal dressing, right? So I just mix this with that and then some water, and then we go ahead and detail it. Alright, too. So we just finished up with the F-150 detail. Went ahead and shampooed the carpet, shampooed the seats, lightly shampooed the seats, and then of course the detail, all surfaces, stuff like that. I had a problem with this like stain right there. I couldn't get that off. I tried the steamer, I tried the compressor. I'm gonna go ahead and let the client know that stuff wasn't coming off either in there. Y'all see it? Just gonna go ahead and let it air dry. We'll go around to the other side. Shit. It's locked. Y'all see this side? Passenger side. Thing nice and detailed. The doors were all wiped and clean. Door jambs as well. And then we went ahead and did this side over here too, making sure we went deep inside the underneath here. Pause. But y'all see it though, man. It's looking good. Don't have any air fresheners in yet, so we don't have any air fresheners in yet, so it's kind of, you know, it kind of sucks. Can't leave one in the car right now, but this is gonna be the end of the video here. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your grandma, share with your uncle. Appreciate y'all, man. Hustle never settle. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man, because tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow's another dollar. So actually, what time is it? It's about to be 4, so it's 4:15 right now. 4:15, and we just finished up for the day. Gets dark around 5, so it's the main reason why I'm only doing 2 cars, because you know I take, you know, take my time on these cars. I don't want to rush, especially when you're charging a certain amount, you know, per car. So this one was $250, the other one was $130, right around like $380 or something like that, I believe, which is not bad. Just a light day, and Tomorrow we have a very exciting, very productive day. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hustle never settle. Peace out, you guys. Let's go.